Yes, it's happy first service day to Gerald. A year ago this week we managed to procure Gerald from Roadworthy in Bristol, and we're back again now for its first service. So here we are, Roadworthy in Bristol. Based on the way Gerald's normally used, this is typically Gerald's only motorway trip in any 1 year, but it's worth coming down here for the excellent service the guys here offer. So what happens on the first service? Typically it is an inspection service. Lots of things are inspected and checked, handbrake should be adjusted, and the oil's changed, the main engine oil and crucially the differential oil. For the main engine oil, make sure you get the correct one. Reports around people around the world are that dealers are putting in the wrong oils. They're putting in whatever they got in the back of their workshop. The correct oil is a 0W16, very lightweight oil. Various brands are recommended. There's an Eco Star one or E-Star one and Motul. Roadworthy put in the Motul brand for me, 016. Make sure you get that one. You'll see that from this picture that the Gerald had used no oil in the 2,300 miles that it had done. The oil inside was like new, but obviously it is still chain. For the differential, lots of dealers don't realise that the differential oil needs changing at the start. This is very important and they miss it out. If you look in the service manual, the oil isn't changed for another 150,000 miles. So if they miss changing the differential oil now, then it sits in there for 150,000 miles with all the swarf and the various bits from the initial differential build. So don't let them skip it. Make sure it's done. Guys here on the board, all nicely done. So that's the conclusion of the first year's ownership with the Jimny. I'm just going to go home now and produce another video which includes our 5 things we really like about the Jimny and the 5 little annoyances about our first year in ownership. So on to the next video.